Is Warren Buffett's criticism of Bitcoin valid or outdated? Debating the future of cryptocurrency. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, is criticizing Bitcoin so much. As you may know, Bitcoin is a digital currency that has been gaining a lot of attention and popularity in recent years, but not everyone is convinced of its value. So, let's dive into why Warren Buffett is one of the biggest critics of Bitcoin. First of all, Warren Buffett has always been a strong advocate of investing in companies that have a solid business model and generate consistent profits over time. He believes that investing in stocks is a better way to build wealth than investing in something like Bitcoin, which he considers to be a speculative asset. In fact, he has famously called Bitcoin rat poison squared and a mirage. Secondly, Warren Buffett is also skeptical of Bitcoin because it is not backed by any government or central authority. Unlike traditional currencies, which are regulated by central banks and governments, Bitcoin is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network. This lack of regulation and oversight makes it more vulnerable to fraud, hacking, and other security risks. Thirdly, Warren Buffett has also criticized Bitcoin for its lack of intrinsic value. Unlike gold or other commodities, which have inherent value due to their scarcity and usefulness, Bitcoin's value is purely based on supply and demand. Buffett has argued that Bitcoin has no real utility or purpose, and that its value is purely speculative. Whether or not you agree with his views on Bitcoin, it's always important to do your own research and make informed decisions when it comes to investing. But, what I personally think about one possible scenario is that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continue to gain mainstream acceptance and adoption. As more people become familiar with these digital assets and more businesses start accepting them as payment, the demand for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could increase, driving up their value. This could lead to more investment in the crypto space and more innovation in the development of new blockchain-based applications. Another possible scenario is that governments and regulators start to crack down on cryptocurrencies. Some governments have already taken steps to regulate or ban cryptocurrencies, citing concerns about money laundering, tax evasion, and other illegal activities. If more governments follow suit, it could limit the growth and adoption of cryptocurrencies and make them less attractive to investors. A third possible scenario is that new technologies and innovations emerge that make cryptocurrencies more useful and valuable. For example, some experts predict that the development of decentralized finance, DeFi, applications could revolutionize the financial industry and create new use cases for cryptocurrencies. Similarly, advances in blockchain technology could make cryptocurrencies more secure and scalable, making them more attractive to businesses and investors. So, there you have it, a few possible scenarios for the future of Bitcoin and crypto. While it's impossible to predict exactly what will happen, it's clear that cryptocurrencies are here to stay and will continue to play an important role in the global economy. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a skeptic, it's always important to stay informed and keep an eye on the latest developments in this rapidly evolving space.